Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. We are doing a cool unboxing, something coming in from the Freedom Knife Shop. I think I know what this is. It's going to be something really cool for all of us. Let's take a look at this. Alright, today I'm opening up my Freedom Knife Shop with a Micro Jimbo in S90V in the carbon fiber scales. Guess where I got that from? Freedom Knife Shop. Yes sir. They got good stuff there. But let's take a look at what we have here. Ooh, yes, I think this is what it is. All right, we got two. All right, make sure that's it. Yep. So what do we have here? We've got a couple of paramilitary to salt. Why would there be two? Let's look at this. Oh, that's right. I forget these guys. They always lock them up, so you know if you've opened them or not, which is pretty smart. Got it. Is there one out? No, just one. All right, so what do we have here? So some of you guys may have been wanting to get yourself a paramilitary 2 in Magnacut. This is the Salt Series. This is the black G10. Oh, that's really smooth. Oh, I really like that. Wow. So some of you guys are asking, why is there two? Why in the world is there two? Well, I'm going to open the other one because we're going to just look at them both so you know what's in there. Well, I will tell you why there's two. Because I talked to Freedom Knife Shop and they want to help us do a special giveaway. I mean, talk about something special here, right? A paramilitary 2 giveaway. Well, they were going to send me one. We were going to do a giveaway. And then they said, Rob, keep the other one for yourself. And I'm like, okay. Well, you know what that meant? I got to mod it. I got to make sure this thing's get decked out and everything. So we're gonna have doing a mod with one of them. But you know, I don't think I have a black DLC Magnacut one anymore. So I felt like, yeah, let's do that. But I just wanted to show you that one of these is going to be for you guys. So we've had one of these before. We know what a PM2 looks like, but this is the Salt Series with a black G10 scales. Now you can make this tip up, tip down, which obviously I'm going to switch, but the G10 has a nice texture to it. Works really, really well. It's all blacked out. DLC. You got the lanyard hole right there. Got a standoff back there. It is a compression lock, as you can see, locked in there, nice and solid. Action is really nice. Dead nut centered, I think. Yep. Let's look at this one. Let's see it now. I don't think I flicked this one a whole lot. This one, this will be like the 4th flick now. Let's see. There we go. Now it's not nice and broken in already. Dead nut centered. Wow. This is going to be super special. These are Spyderco paramilitary 2s. One I'm going to deck out. I'm going to carry. I'm absolutely going to carry. We're going to, like I do with my Yo Jimbo here. Absolutely love this little guy. Got a great deal on it from that Freedom Knife Shop. Go check them out. Go find something, put it in the box. Go check out, see what it costs. Sometimes they have a deal that can extend to you. They can't advertise it, but sometimes, you know, if they have a deal that they can extend, they will. And sometimes you find some treasures. You find some real amazing treasures there, and that to me is absolutely worth going shopping there. So. You've seen it, Blade HQ, GP Knives, they've all done that. They've got some cool deals on knives that they say, oh, you know, check out. You have to go check out before you can see the deal. Same sometimes with these. Sometimes there's a deal on some of these. But I'm telling you, the deal that's on this right now is that you could win a Spyderco PM2 Salt Series in DLC. So that's pretty amazing. If you're not familiar with this one, I'm going to move this one off so we can take a look at it real quick because it's worth checking out. DLC coated blade. There's the DLC, and it's Magnacut. Does Magnacut need DLC? No, it doesn't, because it's already pretty tough and it's corrosion resistant. But here's that G10 scale, which is really nicely chamfered all the way around. It's rounded. You got the lanyard. It's all DLC. The hardware inside is DLC'd as well. Now that stop pin is not, which is smart because that gets sticky if you don't do that. And then you've got the inside liners, which are all blacked out. And here's the clip. Now the clip can be moved here, here, or here. So tip up, tip down, left or right hand carry. Right, and then on this side you have Golden, Colorado. The little logo's on there. So this is a USA made knife. Let's look at that edge. Edge is really nice. Yeah, it's a nice size too, right? You see that? So let's zoom out a little bit. here we are, this beautiful, beautiful PM2 with the DLC coating on there. I think that's super cool. I like this. I like this a lot. I mean, come on. Who wouldn't like something like this, right? Now, what you can do is you can put a CME on there. Now, you saw what I did on here. I put a CME on this guy because it's a compression lock. And then it just makes it a little bit easier to work, right? Here. After you carry such a big knife and you go back to the micro jimbo, I got to readjust myself. Remember, smaller knife, different grip, right? This is nice when you want a really small carry with yourself. You got to just remember how to flick it. But it's just such a nice little chunky little thing. I love it. I love it. It's super S90V blade steel, super great. But then you go in here and it's a much bigger knife, which is super solid with a black DLC coated. Now, nice tip. Definitely going to get inside your stuff here. You'll see that. Definitely a nice pokey tip to get inside and cut things with. Use the right tool for the right job. It's not a pry bar. I'm just going to tell you right now. Oh, that's crazy sharp. Oh, that's crazy sharp. Wow. Yeah, so crazy sharp. I bet I could do a napkin. I'm just curious. Let's see. Can we? Can we? No, I could up here. Anyways, very, very cool. Really nice. Very nice. It's a little bit bigger for sure. Just to compare, obviously. There's the micro jimbo. Now, I do have some PM2s, just so you know. Here's my Rec 76 PM2, which is a great knife as well. I do love that, right? Of course, this is a Rockscale Design Scales with the CME on there, which is super cool as well. This would be super cool. I mean, I could just swap this out and put it in there, but these are the Rec 76. I do love, that's another cool steel, Rec 76. But as you can see, this one also has the Lynch Northwest clip on here. Obviously, I'd get that for my modded one, I think. But I don't want to, the one I'm giving away is going to be just as is, so you can do whatever you want with it, right? I want you to be able to do what you would like to do with that knife, but just like what I'm going to do with mine. But very, very cool. Now, if you want to compare it to a pair 3, here, let's we'll move one of these out, and here's a pair 3, just so you get an idea. Now, this is the M4 one with the DLC coated blade. You can see it's obviously a little smaller, but that gives you a nice idea on the size, right? Very cool. There we go. And then our little Yojimbo. And then the Salt Series. Very nice. I do like these. Thank you. Thank you, Freedom Knife Shop. If you haven't gone to Freedom Knife Shop, there'll be a link down below. I have an affiliate. The link will have my affiliate link there as well. It helps the channel out if you want. If you go shopping there, I'd appreciate it if you consider doing that. It really does help me out and lets them know that maybe you went there because I encouraged you to go there or told you about a good deal or something like that. And then they can keep doing stuff like this, and maybe I can give another knife away, right? That would be super, super stinking cool. I would love doing that, and I would love to do that for you guys. So yeah, let me know. Let me know. I think this is going to be a really nice giveaway. I think you guys are going to really, really enjoy this. I'm super excited about it. I'm super stoked. I do like this black G10 scale, though. I don't hate this. This might be an opportunity for me to carry just a black G10 and see what I think about it. I'm going to switch the clip, though. Got to switch the clip. And I got to put a CME on there for sure. But might just do that. I don't know. All right, let me know what you think about this one. Do you have a Salt Series? I do. I have one now, obviously. I also have, if you didn't know, I have another Salt Series. Where is it? Where'd it go? Yep. I have this Salt Series, my Shaman Salt Series. That's another Spyderco. And yep, I did get this one at the Freedom Knife Shop too, by the way. And I did mod this one out. I put Lynch Northwest titanium scales on this puppy. Maybe I should put something from Lynch on there as well. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if anybody has any scales for me to try out. But for now, I think the black G10 is pretty cool. Very cool. I'm going to put this off to the side. All right, let me know what you think about this. If you found this content fun, interesting, exciting, because you might win one of these. Maybe consider hitting that like button down below. And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel, it really does help out. It allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content, it's part of the live stream. I sure do appreciate you. Thank you so very much. If you haven't already, maybe consider hitting that notification button as well down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out, a big thank you to all my channel members out there. You guys are amazing. I sure appreciate you so very much. If you guys haven't already, know this, that as a result of your generosity, your kindness, you encourage me in two ways. One, you just encourage me because you're a member, so thank you. And secondly, because of your generous support through your memberships, I'm able to do things like once a week, budget banger giveaways, cover costs of shipping for big giveaways, and lots of other things. So I appreciate that so very much. So thank you. Thank you to you guys out there. So appreciative. If you guys, as a small way for me to say thank you to you guys, I want to do two exclusive things for you. One, I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. Brand new channel members, email me your name and address so I can mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. Secondly, every channel member is eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month we'll do two giveaways. We'll do the budget banger giveaway and the members giveaway. And members, you could win both. You'll be eligible for both. Yeah, it's my small way to say thank you to you guys. It's never enough, but it's my small way to say thank you. And if any of that sounds cool or interesting, there's a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you. Don't ever feel pressured to be a member. Don't. Just enjoy the content, the channel, the community. I appreciate you just being here. Sincerely, I really do. But if you happen to decide to become a channel member, thank you. Thank you very much. Words are not enough, but thank you. Some of you guys may ask, well, I'd love to become a channel member. That all sounds really cool, but I thought there was some extras. Yes, there is some special emojis you can do here and in live stream. Yes, there's kazoo salutes. Yes, there's exclusive content. Yes, there's 1 year, 2 year, 3 year anniversary stuff. All that's true. Yes, all that's true. It's my small way just to say thank you and how much I appreciate you. It's never enough, but it is my way just to let you know what you mean to me. So thank you. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe also consider checking me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.